One will be control variable. As the name suggests, volume is our control variable. Now how to calculate this volume? It is also called tidal volume. How to calculate this volume? Whether it is actual body weight or adjusted body weight? No, it is ideal body weight. And then the formula for tidal volume will be 6 to 8 ml per kg of ideal body weight. Now the second is inspiratory phase variable. First will be trigger. Now trigger can be machine or tie or patient. Patient can be flow trigger or pressure trigger. Then second will be limit. Limit in volume control ventilation is flow limited. Then cycle. Cycle is volume cycle or time cycle. Once the time has gone or the volume has been delivered, the ventilator will cycle the inspiration to exhalation. Now third will be baseline variable. Here we will set two things. One is PEEP, another is respiratory rate. Right? So these are the three determinants of volume control ventilation.